You can use the free payroll calculator to compute payroll taxes, add deductions, 401k, POP, or any other type of deductions. And you can prepare and print paychecks or paystubs. Click Calculate to start. Enter the basic paycheck information, the marital status, withholding exemptions, and state information. Pay cycle is another important factor in computing payroll taxes. For example, let's choose biweekly. We first enter the earning and compensation for this paycheck. We can use hours worked, let's say 80 hours, and enter a pay rate, $20 an hour, and we can compute. All the payroll taxes are computed, including federal, Social Security, Medicare, disability, and state income tax withholds. We can add other earning items, for example, overtime. Let's assume it's 8 hours overtime at 150%. Click Add. The payroll tax calculation and the net pay are automatically updated. If an employee is a salaried employee, instead of entering hours and hourly rate, you can enter the compensation directly. For example, the pay is $3,000 for every 2 weeks. You can calculate. All the payroll taxes will be computed accordingly. You can add other types of earnings. For example, a bonus for $500. We can add commission. Let's say the commission is based on the task completed. Let's say completed 10 tasks during the period. Each task is $30. You get $300. And again, all the taxes and the net pay are updated. You can add deductions. For example, a 401k contribution. 401k is a pre-tax deduction. Let's say we add $1,000 for 401k deduction. Again, the taxes are computed and the net pay is reduced. Your company could also have a premium-only plan, POP. It's a non-tax deduction. Payroll taxes and the net pay are recomputed accordingly. Most of the payroll tax items are done according to the tax tables as well as the fixed withholding amounts. However, you can add local taxes. For example, there's a 1% deduction for local educational or school district funds. You can add the item. After all the taxes are computed, there may still be certain adjustment you want to make. For example, child support is required. In this case, since we're taking money out of the net pay, we will use a minus amount. So the net pay amount is dropped accordingly. You can print a pay stub. The top portion is just for your record, and the bottom two portions containing the earning, the taxes, and the deduction information. If you want to create or print an actual paycheck, you need to enter more information. Click Print Paycheck. The top portion is the actual check. The two bottom parts are the pay stubs. If you have pre-printed company check, you can use printed paycheck function. In this case, only the amount, the employee, check day, and the amount information are printed.